Hi everyone, I'm Kala Swaminathan and welcome back to Kala's Kalag. In this episode, I'm going to talk to you about the Paneer Mutter, a no onion, no garlic, simple, easy to make recipe. Do take a look. In a kadai, melt about 2 tablespoons of butter, and once the butter is melted, put in these condiments: 1 big elachi, few cinnamon pieces, small elachi 2, and 2 pieces of cloves, and let them just fry. It's absolutely fine if you do not have a big elachi. The small elachis will do. It's just optional. Once it's fried, add in the ginger pieces and 2 green chillies. You can add more if you like it spicy. Once these are fried together, you can add in the tomatoes. Add about 2 big tomatoes or 3 medium-sized tomatoes and fry them well. Let the tomatoes turn mushy. Once the tomatoes are cooked, you can add in about 10 pieces of cashew nuts. You can add more if you like a nice cashew gravy, as there's no onion or garlic in this. Let it all get cooked well and the tomatoes turn mushy. Once the tomatoes are mushy, we are going to grind this mixture to a fine paste. If you don't have big elachi, it's fine. You can just use small elachi and grind to a fine paste. In the same kadai, take about 2 teaspoons of ghee and add in shahi jeera, or if you have ordinary jeera, just the ordinary jeera. Once the jeera is fried, add in some Kasoori methi and fry them together till it turns aromatic. Once it turns aromatic, add in the ground paste and let it all fry together. And once it's fried, add in 1 spoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon red chilli powder, and 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Fry them all together, mix it in this ground paste and let them all come together to a good boil. As there's no onion or garlic, not much boiling is also required. It's only cooked tomatoes. Now that it has come to a boil, add in your green peas. I have added frozen peas. You can add the real peas. You can boil it separately and then add it in. Now add about 1.5 glasses of water and let them all come to a good boil. The boiling is the most important part here. If there was onion and garlic, then you would have to fry them nicely and then only boil. But as there's no onion or garlic, you just need to boil them together. Now you can add in a teaspoon of salt. And now it's boiling nicely. They've all come together. It takes approximately half an hour to get it all done. Now you can add in your paneer cubes. Never fry the paneer as it becomes hard. I've taken about 250 grams of paneer. And now let it all come to a boil. In spite of no onion and garlic, it's very, very tasty, delicious. Add in a spoon of sugar once the paneer has boiled together with the peas and let it boil for about 1 more minute. Turn off the gas, add in a wallop of ghee, mix it all up and you can plate it and serve it. Add coriander and it's ready to be served. You can have it with chapatis, you can have it with puri, you can have it with rice. You can have a wallop of fresh cream. If you like fresh cream, you can add a wallop of fresh cream. Otherwise, it's absolutely fine without the cream as well. The cream adds a creamy texture to the whole recipe. Enjoy it with rotis, rice or puris. Thank you so much for watching my videos. If you did like my videos, do subscribe.